Hey guys, my name is Sucharita. This is Film Companion. You're watching Not a Movie Review, and right now I'm not going to be reviewing Key and Ka. By the way, I'm a little unwell today, so just deal with it. Thrilling, pulling, same thing. That is the premise of R. Balki's latest offering, Key and Ka, where Kareena is Key, but according to societal norms, does Ka's job. And Arjun Kapoor is Ka, but is being Key. But है तो वो Ka ना, and she's a Key.
साला वैसे इतनी परेशानियां हैं? रवीना कौन, करिश्मा कौन? उस मुसीबत निकले नहीं कि अब एक नई मुसीबत?
Key का कौन? What you saw in the trailer is pretty much the whole film. A working woman aspires to be CEO and homemaker husband aspires to be a wife. Now kids, listen carefully. Gender equality. When people of different sexes are given the choice and the freedom to do what they want, separate of their reproductive organs. Gender equality, good. Gender equality, want. Gender role reversal. Man does woman's job and woman tries to be a man. Role reversal, bad. Role reversal, don't want. This is exactly what happens with Key and Ka. यार तुम्हें बड़े होकर अपनी मम्मी जैसा बनना है तो बनो, पर इसका मतलब ये नहीं हुआ ना कि थकी हुई सोती हुई पत्नी के पैर से जूते उतारने हैं, कि जब दोनों थके हुए घर में घुसे you have to apologize for being late and cook food फटाफट because your wife is the breadwinner of the family. What you're essentially saying is that these are things women are supposed to do, but here we have a story to tell because a man is doing these things. No. One scene has Kareena have a total and utter mental breakdown. She's sobbing and she's crying and proclaiming her life is over. And Benji, kya ho gaya? What is wrong? I am pregnant. So? Message derived? A working aspirational woman can't have both. She can't be on her way to becoming a CEO and be a mother at the same time. You know, because Indra Nu is a figment of our imagination. अच्छा चलो ठीक है, gender roles को छोड़ भी देते हैं एक तरफ, कोई ना. Let's talk about the film. इलैयाराजा जी, sir, नहीं हुआ इस बार. The background score is in complete dissonance with what's actually going on in the scene. Like there's one sequence where Arjun is having a full emotional moment about his mother and how she was the best thing ever and why he's justified in wanting to be like her. He's screaming and banging things and even does a dramatic exit. Music this whole time is happy, almost cheerful. Teletubbies, Teletubbies. Also, he calls Kareena's nose a baby corn at some point. Go figure. The dialogue is very meh. In the opening Dost Ki Shaadi sequence, Kareena is being asked to get off her phone and come dance, to which she responds with, "Oh, it's like I'm on my period." And a dude says, "Oh, sure, stay free." What? But you know what was actually jarring was PC Sriram's cinematography. Now this man is a legend. He's been winning awards since before I was born and whatnot. Here he seems to have taken a detour towards the Ram Gopal Verma school of shot taking. There are zoom ins and track outs and handheld shots and shaky haphazard frames, which got so annoying after a point that that's all I was observing. Almost like a student film project ka camera work. Sorry, sir. Kareena Kapoor's Key looks great and has done a superb job with what she was given. Arjun Kapoor's Ka, although earnest and eager to please and even quite cute for the most part, just didn't manage to emotionally connect with me at all. And both of them have thoda psychotic tendencies also. I mean, what do you say about a movie where the most enjoyable part was an Amitabh Bachchan and Jaya Bachchan cameo? On a scale of 1 to 10, Key and Ka is releasing on April Fool's Day. Ab matlab main kya bolu? You know what my favorite kind of Key is? Teriyaki. And until you subscribe to Film Companion and get your film fix, I'm not gonna get my food. Please, please, please.